today we talk about how can you fix this problem on your premise app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When just click here on settings, so then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do, just go down here, so you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and you're looking for premise app, or just click here on search. Sorry, you click here on search here, then here add premise app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. So then here it's going to just you search here for premise app, so just hit add premise app. So it's going to show for you here. Click on it, then you click on it here, then you will find here update. Click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.